Hello guys, we're back with another video. Today, I'll be using the blizzard fruit and destroying everyone in PvP. I'm destroying everyone. What I mean everyone, I'm kicking people butt left and right. So make sure to watch the whole video so you don't miss out. And hit that like and subscribe button. See you guys later. Oh, let's do this. Oh, when he wants to fight too? Yo, that's not even fair. That's not even. How's that even fair? Nah, I need that rematch game. I'm gonna have to run my fade. I'm gonna have to run my fade. I'm gonna have to. Where did he just go? What? Who's done top? I'm lagging so hard. If I wasn't lagging, I would have did something. Oh, you gonna come up? No. I just love getting combos, like the freak. Why? Like, yeah, I know he is. I know he is still. We're gonna cut this out. No, we're not. I'm not gonna lie. You gotta. What? Yeah. Yeah, my domain. Whoa. I'm very sure he even. Oh. Not gonna lie, I gotta get into the fight. I gotta get in a fight. After what just happened? Nah, whoa. I hate that, I just hate that, I hate that. Now you're gonna ride. Oh, whoa! Nope. Oh, whoa, why is he? Nah, you just try to run. By the way. That's so lucky. Oh, it's you right there. Nah. Come on. I'm gonna have to get this fade. You're gonna have both of y'all. You want the fade too? Come out right now. Oh. Immediately, the fade. Where you at? Oh, you're running? You're gonna... Crazy running. Crazy Dicky. I love that he's running. Am I fighting two people? Am I fighting two people? Oh. Yo, I'm fighting two people. I'm fighting two people, bro. Get off of me. Yo, you wanna fight me so bad. That's hilarious. Hilarious. Where did he go? Oh no. Get it? Got you. I'm still doing damage. Thank you. And here you come. No, I'm getting teamed on. If I'm gonna get teamed up, I'm gonna get teamed up here. I can see you jumping. I can hear you. Come on. If you guys trying to team on me, you gotta do way better. Oh, nice. This is gonna be. You can't jump in there. You can't stay in the air for long, gang. Yeah, back off. Oh. Okay, you must not forget who I am. I want to say I'm getting. Has a better. I promise you, I would have killed one of them. I would have killed one of them for real. You know what? Water confused. Oh, it's not water confused. It's this. Let's see. Let's not. Well, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna be a POV goat girl. I'm gonna be a POV goat. Hold up. Oh, I can hear them fighting too. No one running from me. You look at you run. You, oh, okay, hold up. It's crazy how people just run. I just love runners. Oh, did he just leave the game? You better leave me alone. Oh, you run up top? I'm not playing with none of you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm getting the being weird. It's giving. You can't beat me by yourself. Even though I could both be all by myself, for real. Oh, this is a long 10 minutes. I mean, just trying to fight someone. It's so crazy how long this fight has been going. Yeah. Hello? He's on top of me, right? Yo, Chad, there's a dragon! Wow, the glaze? The offset glaze? I didn't even get glaze. Okay, game. The glaze. So all you guys are gonna just join and kill me, huh? You know what? Oh. Give me his heart. That's not even fair. That's not even fair, gang. I want you to do something. I want you to move and so I can kill you. Good. Nah, so how you gonna kill me? Nah. Oh. W. Vicky. W. I actually have to game. It's like I'm playing against a hacker. Like, you gotta be hacking. Well, he don't gotta be, but let's try. You missed. I have poison now. You missed. Try. When was Venom how did man did Venom get so good? What? And why are you like just watching this dragon? You know what? Yeah, I want the smoke. Nah, you don't get the lead. I heard that we can defeat you. Oh. Yeah, you guys saw that? Not just one, but two. Not just two, but three. I got triple team and stuff. You guys like, why are you guys doing this? Why are you doing this, Daniel? Because you suck. Okay. I'm just fucking done now. I'm just gonna press the button. What happened now? I couldn't even. Okay, okay. Well, yeah, I get. I'm gonna try with ice now.